Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Sheets to import keyword data for SEO, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Sheets. Click on blank to create a new spreadsheet. In cell A1, type keyword to label your first column. In cell B1, type search volume for your second column. Open a new tab and go to the Google Cloud Platform. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. Click on the Select a Project drop-down at the top. Choose New Project to create a new one. Name your project and click Create. Once your project is created, go to the APIs and Services dashboard. Click on plus Enable APIs and Services. In the API library, search for Google Sheets API. Click on Enable the necessary API by clicking Enable. Now, navigate to Credentials in the left sidebar. Click on Create Credentials and choose API Key. Copy the generated API key, you will need it later. Return to your Google Sheet and click on Extensions. Select App Script from the drop-down menu. In the App Script editor, delete any code that appears. Paste the following code snippet into the editor. JavaScript function get keyword data, keyword, var API key equals your underscore API underscore key, var. Replace your underscore API underscore key with your actual API key. Replace API underscore NDPOINT underscore here with the API endpoint you need for keyword data. Click the disk icon to save your script and name it appropriately. Close the App Script editor and return to your Google Sheet. In cell B2, enter the formula equals get keyword data, A2, to pull data for the keyword listed in A2. Hit enter and watch as the formula fetches keyword data automatically. Drag the bottom right corner of the cell down to apply the formula for additional keywords. Adjust your formula as needed based on your specific API response format. You are now set up to import keyword data directly into Google Sheets for SEO analysis. Confirm that all data is being fetched correctly and make any necessary adjustments to your script. Start adding keywords into column A and let the data populate in column B. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.